If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left, I got you.
Hey, so it is Sunday night, approximately 9:30, something like that. I think it's like 9:30 or something. And I was gonna clean my room tomorrow morning, but I was looking at it and I said, oh no, I got to get this done today. Well, tonight. So yeah, there are some things that you're gonna see that I'm not working on. For example, my makeshift TV stand. Baby, this is just what it is right now. Like, I need to get my TV mounted, but I'm not doing that until the fall. It's a lot of things that I've paused working on because I've done a lot to this room so far. It may not look like much, but baby, there's fresh paint on the walls. The closet is also freshly painted, and everything is like things like that just to make it ready to be moved in have been done. So I'm just taking a break and I'm not really working on anything until later in the year. So just a little disclaimer. But anyway, so let's get in. You can't even see. Let's get into it.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. It's the only thing I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, no, 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 I don't wanna let you down.
Bay for the night. You could be
Bay for the night.
Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. You could be Bay for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life. Still rockin' gold chains like I'm Kobe. I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. You could be bae for the night, you could be bae for the night, you could be bae for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, we pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. Oh, baby, girl, the way you move it got me so turned on. Please don't go away. These models and these bottles got me drunk. Girl, I like the way that you rock, the way that you dance, the way that you drop. Wanna get you out of this club and into the car and back to my spot. I'ma get you home, we can sip on ice. I can roll this weed, I'ma treat you right. Baby, we could go all night, doing all the things that you like. I'ma kiss your neck, I'ma pull your hair. Well, you could be
bae for the night.
bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, we pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. Oh, baby, girl, the way you move it got me so turned on. Please don't go away. These models and these bottles got me drunk. I'm not used to attention. High school days, I was back in detention. All these girls that I will not mention, they don't fucking Willie me before I got a necklace.
Go, youngin'!
Cause I got a little money, made a couple beats, now my jokes all funny. Pay my own lane and I keep on running. Me and Vicky Sticks and these Playboy bunnies. Ha. Playboy bunnies. Yeah. Playboy bunnies. Ha. Oh darling, can you see? Girl, I'm all you need for the night. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, I pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. You could be bae for the night. I pay for the weed, I pay for the wine, we pay for this life. Still rocking gold chains like I'm Kobe. Bath and break, I'm doing cocaine. It's that love supreme like Coltrane.
I shoot my shot like a free throw. Young bro and I'm pulling them free hoes. Ballin' this shit, yeah, she knows. That's why these hoes blow on my ego. No one ain't sweet cause I get hoes. I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissin' like D-Rose. I feel a ball, like they not guarding me. My circle small, my people a part of me. Still my blood like I just cut out arteries. Dropped them out like I was doing pottery. It's on the track and it came from the heart of me. Me and my niggas came up from the bottom. If they gon' fall then they know that I got them. Nigga, I'm solid from winter to autumn. Yeah. Oh, like a vet, no freshman. Host start understand when I step in. And I'm good where I go, ain't no check-in. God with me, so I'm counting on my blessings. And that nigga fuck with me, I'ma bless him. Fuck nigga, my crew keep a F-in. And on top of that shit, nigga, I wanna check, nigga. I wanna stop my investment. My shot like a free throw. Young bro, and I'm pulling the free hoes. Ballin' this shit, yeah, she knows. That's why these hoes blow on my ego. No one ain't sweet cause I get hoes. I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissin' like D-Rose. I'm in the truth, ain't no cap for nothing. I earn my shit, I ain't ask for nothing. I don't play tens, but rest keep on coming. I have the pen, no I'm gas or nothing. I'm with the man, no track, I'm running. All my bitches got ass and no stomach. She wanna kick it like she just punting. Shorty keep shaking that ass and I love it. Yeah, I shoot my shot like a free throw. Young bro and I'm pulling the free hoes. Ballin' this shit, yeah, she knows. That's why these hoes blow on my ego. No one ain't sweet cause I get hoes. I got niggas that empty and reload. Got a key heat cause the streets cold. My young bro keep a pissin' like D-Rose.
This is a story about me and you, and the beauty that we did pursue, and how you changed my life so beautifully, and how you showed me things I'd never seen. Oh baby girl, I want to show you how much you mean to me. With this melody, with you our heart is free. With you I sing with ease. With you I count to 3 and I believe. Y'all may still not know I'm talking about Italy. I know she changed my life so beautifully. And Italia, now I sing this song to thee, and I do so with ease. I'm thankful, I'm grateful, faithful. I'm joyful, wonderful. I've been so robotic. Everything I do is cold, funky, hypnotic. Make me wanna hit the dance floor. Don't just stop moving. Looking it from wall to wall. Radio blazing. Running to the party hall.
Hey y'all, so today is actually an entirely different day. Today is Tuesday around 7:30 p.m. I think, and the reason for that is because I'm still trying to figure out how I can record efficiently on my phone. For some reason my storage is almost full and I'm like, I don't understand. Like, I've deleted pictures, I've deleted apps, I've deleted songs, I've deleted like almost everything, and I just don't understand, you know, what it is. I even got on the phone with Apple. I didn't stay because they had me on hold, but I did try, you know. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to kind of just say that because I don't know, like, this is my first video that I'm posting and it's like, it's just not going the way that I wanted to, and I'm like, why? But I do have a goal to film a video, edit a video, and post a video this week, so I'm holding myself to it no matter what. But anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to say that and say that I thank you guys for watching, you know, whoever's watching. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, have a good one.